In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your iPhone camera shaking. So let's get started. First of all is that you want to go here into the settings of your iPhone. And in here is that you would want to scroll down until you see camera, which is this one. You want to tap on it. And from here, you should now be able to see the options in here. And then you want to go here into record video. And from here, you should be able to see an enhanced stabilization option right here, which is what you want to turn on. But it's already turned on by default. But just in case that you have turned it off, you want to turn it on. And note that it will not be available on all versions. As you can see right here, I don't have it because it is only available on iPhone 13 series and newer. For below versions is that you only have the standard optical or digital stabilization, which is already enabled. So that's all you could do here with regards with the shaking the camera in the software level. So you can now try out your camera right here if you have now enabled the enhanced stabilization on your iPhone 13 or newer. And if it's still shaking, if you still get a shaky video, then what you could do next is that you could go and press the camera on the backside of your iPhone physically, because it might be that there's something loose. That is why there is a shake effect. So you would want to make sure that it is firm. And then next is that if that doesn't work for you, then you could go here into settings again. Right here, settings, and then now you just simply want to go here into search and go into about right here. So about general right here, and then you should now be able to see here the info here on your iPhone, and basically there should no pop-up right here that says that your camera is not working well, or it's replaced by a defective version and so on. Because chances are, if you have bought your iPhone, especially secondhand, and then when you tried it out, there's something wrong with the camera and so on, it's worth checking right here so that you could confirm if it's really on the hardware part of the camera. So yeah, that is basically it on how you'd be able to fix your shaky camera on iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.